head downstairs. So this is one of the features that really sold us on this place, was the fact that it has a downstairs, which is like a whole separate unit. It's like a basement apartment. It's 900 square feet down here. Got a nice bay window there. A second porch. So this is the lower porch, which is just like the upper one. And right here, it's got the fixtures and stuff for it, but we're going to put in a little kitchenette in this wall so we can
process putting in our kitchen downstairs. It's quite cluttered, but Scott says it's going faster than he thought it would. Looks like Scott got the upper cabinets installed. The lower ones come next. I think he said he's going to do it this weekend. The tricky part might be attaching the sink. If we have to, we'll hire someone to help.
Project for the new home. We finished our IKEA kitchen in the downstairs. It's the cabinet stuff, I did everything with the exception of plumbing the sink, and that cost almost as much as all the parts for the rest of the kitchen. But it's pretty good. Got running water. We got nice cabinets up here. This empty space right there is going to be a microwave. That's a hot plate. We couldn't put a real stove in here because you have to have a vent. And since it's downstairs, what's straight up is just the first floor. So we don't have that. We have our little other table here, and I'm happy with it. It's not perfect. If a professional could come in and see the little mistakes and stuff done. One of the boo-boos I made was I originally drilled holes in the middle for the handle there, and the screws were too long to do it. They had to go in the thick part of it here. So I'll patch those up, but it turned out really nice. I'm happy about it.